new high-efficient wiper insert. Corloy LWVW. The high-efficient wiper insert of LWVW is the new concept breaker that materializes excellent processing by adopting cutting-edge technology. LW breaker reduces cutting heat occurrence and materializes cutting resistant shape by reduction of cutting resistance and smooth high cutting processing by slant curved cutting edge design. VW breaker shows prominent chip processing as appropriate to finish area processing. In addition, it designs wider holder clamping part as stable clamping as possible and materializes the reinforcement of cutting-edge reinforcement with similar cutting edge to heavy cutting CB. Cutting-edge corner 3D dot design materializes the reduction of cutting resistance and low cutting chip processing. LW and VW breakers' surface roughness will be improved by processing with wiper insert of special shape design. It materializes more improvement of productivity comparing to existing one, only with single time of processing. It reduces cutting time by high feed and improves its life with cutting resistant shape. Finish processing of prominent surface roughness by cutting-edge technology wiper insert. High efficient LWVW breakers with design better future.